Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking for this tutorial, so thought I'd finally create it for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Steal a Brainrot. This is working right now in 2025, allowing you to get access to the admin panel for free in Steal a Brainrot Roblox. I spent a few hours testing loads of different methods, and I actually managed to find a working code that you can enter, and it's going to give you admin commands. So this is a Steal a Brainrot admin code. Before I start the tutorial, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway, and to enter, you simply have to like and subscribe. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get admin commands in Steal a Brainrot for free. So use your mobile phone internet browser. As you can see, I'm doing this on my spare iPhone. You can do this on your Android as well. You just need an internet connection. So open up the internet browser and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you've got to spell it exactly like this, and it's going to bring you to this codes website. Now, they have game codes on here, hundreds of them. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar where it says search here and type in Steal a Brainrot. You're looking for the Steal a Brainrot Roblox codes page, as you can see. And this is a really awesome page with tons of different codes on. And you can see they're really being used. They're very popular codes. So scroll down, and what you're looking for here, guys, is the admin commands code. So this one. This is a Steal a Brainrot code. Get access to the admin panel, and this is completely free. Takes just a few minutes to unlock your code. And yeah, this is going to give you admin commands, allowing you to spawn Brainrots. You can ragdoll your characters. All of the things, guys. You can even get server luck as well. So because these are limited codes, and as you can imagine, these are pretty popular considering they give you admin commands, you do need to unlock your personal Steal a Brainrot Roblox code. So it says here it will be revealed after verification. So click on get full code, and this starts the process of unlocking your code. So you just need to follow the instructions on this page, guys. And long story short, you're going to have a list of tasks here that are all completely free. You need to select 2 of the tasks, making sure you fully follow the instructions to complete each one. So you essentially need to complete 2 tasks on this page. These are really easy things like installing mobile applications, answering survey questions, playing mobile games. Just follow the description. They're all completely free. Once you do that, your Steal a Brainrot admin commands code will be fully unlocked and revealed in this box. You can go ahead, redeem it in game, and that is going to give you access to the admin commands panel for completely free. Head on over to Cold Coupons. Find this page, guys, and go ahead and select the admin commands code, and that is how to do it, guys. So like and subscribe for more awesome Roblox tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.